Hey everyone, FinanceFeeds is here at the Dealers Connect event in Limassol, Cyprus. I'm joined now by Michalis. This is going to be a tough one. Neofytou. Neofytou. He is chief dealer and director of ATFX CY right here in Cyprus. Michalis, thanks for joining me. It's a pleasure to meet you. I don't think we've previously spoken before, so it's a pleasure.
It's my pleasure to be here. Thank you for the invitation.
Yeah, thank you. I wanted to ask you, since you are chief dealer, what are the main trading trends you noticed in the industry for 2024? And kind of what do you expect to see in 2025?
So we've seen some interesting trading behaviors this year. First of all, we saw a very big increase in the demand for exotic instruments. And this has to do with generally market volatility that there is right now. And this is mostly because of the whole geopolitical situation that is happening all over the world right now. So traders have more interest in these emerging markets. Also, we see that traders are more confident in the upward trend of the markets. So they are more comfortable of holding bigger positions and for longer periods than usual, right? So this is a plus and a minus because they can make more profits, but it can also be much more risky for the brokers themselves as they have exposures. So these are the two main trends that we have seen this year. I believe the next year will be even amplified because, we still have wars going on. We have Trump elected, so who knows what's going to go over there. So again, we have to be prepared and we have to manage our strategies. Otherwise, I think lots of us going to be in big trouble.
And there's also in the US, I come from the United States, there's these expectations that the interest rates will finally start to really go down, and kind of what will that look like, going forward, because it was many years of free money, quote unquote, right? And then it was a shock because it was such a big rise in rates, and now we're slowly steady seeing, and kind of that combination along with Trump, being in his second term, it's going to be a fun ride, I would say. Right, Michalis?
Let me add, because this year generally we have seen an upward trend, right? All the indices are up, gold is going crazy. But for every up, there's also a down. So if it's going to be next year or the year after, we'll have to wait and see.
My next question is related to ATFX. I know the brand and the company quite well. The company globally has done many, many different things this year. As the director of the Cyprus operation, what are some of the most exciting developments that stood out to you this year?
So, ATFX this year had a lot of interesting developments, to say the least. So I'm going to talk about globally, not the Cyprus office. So for starters, we opened 2 new offices in Sydney and Mexico. So now we have a presence in 23 countries globally and counting. Also, we recently acquired the Hong Kong CFC license. So this brings up the number of jurisdictions that we have licensed up to 7, which is a huge number for every company. Finally, concerning the technological front, we moved our servers to Hong Kong and London Equinix data centers. So this allows us for faster execution. And we finally are able to provide MetaTrader 5 to our clients. It was a long time coming. And so we managed to do it lately this year. So it's been a lot of interesting things happening this year for us. And we have a few surprises coming for next year as well.
Nice. We can't wait to find out next year.
Can't wait to show you.
I guess my final question is related to networking events, social events in our industry here in Cyprus. To me, Dealers Connect has become a unique event. This is, I think, the 4th time that they are organizing this event. Because, you are local to Cyprus, I'm sure you attend a lot of different events here. Does this event somehow stand out to you in a particular way? Do you feel like it's something that's very specific and special and catered to, to deal, to people that are in your specific trade, chief dealer?
Absolutely. Because first of all, I'm very happy to be here. I come from a dealing background mostly, so it's very nice to have an event that focuses on the dealer community in Cyprus, because the dealers, they provide huge value to the companies that they work for. And sometimes it is underappreciated.
Yeah.
So events like this, they show that we know you're here, we appreciate your work. So I'm very happy about this event, and I hope that there will be many events like this in the future.
Great.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, Michalis, it was a pleasure to meet you.
Yeah.
Thanks for sharing your insights. And as we approach the end of the year, I wanted to wish you and your family happy holidays, and hopefully we can next year and have
Same to you.
more interesting conversations.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Cheers.